monument?
It's gonna be a walkway. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
What?
Hey, Lydia. Or, actually, I read an article that your name's not Lydia, it's Jennifer.
I guess they're kind of pissing you off with the new equipment, huh?
I don't blame you for being pissed off. Somebody came to my house, you know.
That thing is stinging you.
Hey Lydia, we're not here to piss you off. We just want to have a talk.
I feed on their equipment.
Yeah, we're trying to help.
They're gonna do it all the way down.
Why?
They're gonna do it all the way down.
Why? That's stupid. Why can't they just have a bridge?
Last time I came, they just got done doing it down. See, this wasn't concrete.
Yeah, it was gravel. We're friends, Lydia. We're not here to make you mad.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I read that.
Nikon, which for life.
Hey Lydia, we're not here to piss you off, okay? We're just here for some fun times. You're gonna party out your, like, I don't know, 100th birthday, something like that? When you burn.
I haven't seen you all, Lydia. How you been?
You're going to prom in the 40s, 50s-ish, right? So you're born around the 20s?
I'd say so.
So yeah, let's just celebrate your birthday today. How about that? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lydia. Happy birthday to you.
Or Jennifer.
Oh yeah, or Jennifer. What if a train passes over us?
But if you're upset about the new construction, tap on that machine.
The big orange forklift in front of you. Or lift, it's not a forklift.
This thing.
Tap on it if you're upset. Shut up. Hang on. There is no way in hell. Hey Lydia. You're upset right now. Tap on this machine, please.
Is that your camera trying to focus?
Yeah. Turn off the light and try to focus again. That was not my camera. I wish it was the camera too.
I don't think she likes it.
Do you not like my camera?
Make a noise if you don't like the camera.
Make a noise if you do like the camera. Sounds like somebody's walking.
Hold on, I'm gonna turn my voice recorder on. Okay, I recorded for literally like 3 seconds.
That was you.
Was it? Okay.
Yeah. Hey Lydia, say something to that voice recorder that maybe only you can hear. Because we want to know if you're here with us. If Lydia is not your name, please tell the voice recorder that Lydia is not your name. Tell us your actual name. Is it Jennifer? Is it Jenna? Because when historians did research, and they did the research about this bridge, I'm getting goosebumps like hell. There's a train. There's a train about to pass over us. Turn off your light. This train's flying. That, right?
Yes.
Somebody in white, right?
He's here.
Huh?
That was her.
You saw her in white, right?
Yes.
Trains are not that fucking long.
Holy, she was standing right there.
What the fuck? That's what the fuck?
Talk about being pissed off.
She was standing right over there, was she not?
Yeah.
Because I saw her through the cracks.
And that's what she's been fucking tapping. That's what she's been kicking.
Oh my God.
You were standing beside her.
Holy.
Fuck, it's not cold.
It got hella colder. Okay, Lydia. Thank you for showing yourself.
Yeah.
We actually believe now. Hopefully you said in the voice recorder what your actual name was, and we can update the historians and whatnot. Thank you. Oh my God.
Or after you said thank you, I had a spike.
What do you mean a spike?
There's a spike on here.
Thank you a lot. I mean it. You're welcome. Well, farewell, Lydia. Hopefully someday you'll get the help you need. But until then, we'll be back. We'll bring snacks, some cookies. Bye, Lydia. Oh my God.
What do you mean a spike?
There's a spike on here.
What do you mean a spike?
There's a spike on here.
What do you mean a spike?
There's a spike on here.
Thank you a lot. I mean it.
Feeling used, but I'm still missing you, and I can't see the end of this. Just wanna feel your kiss against my lips, and now all this time is passing by, but I still can't seem to tell you why. It hurts me every time I see you, realize how much I need you.